Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great content for you. Alright, in this lesson we're going to go with the if else and case when sections, actually logics. Alright, let's create a new query and start using if. If, open your parentheses, if 5 bigger than 1. So I want my application print hello, and if it's not, else I want my app to print hi. Okay, let's function 5. As you can see, the logic is correct, the result is correct, so we got hello. So what if I say 10 here? The result is going to be hi. This is the very basic definition of using if and else. I assume you already know what the meaning if and else and how we're using because we already finished our C# lesson and we finalized switch case and if else section. This is the, you can consider it, this is the MS SQL version of this section. Okay, let's make it command line. How we able to use our if and else with our tables? Okay, let's create a logic here again. Let's bring our table, select star from TBL products. Let's see what we have in our hands first. Execute. Okay, let's have a look our stock level. Okay, sum stock level. If our stock level bigger than, for example, 100, let's say print we are good. If it's not, print, oops, sorry, we need goods. Alright, let's function 5. As you can see, we are good. What if um, I change it to the 1000? We still good. What if I do 10,000? We need goods. Alright, perfect. Let's do something different. Let's assign a variable, declare at stock, current stock, hopefully I will write it, yeah. Okay, let's make it small int and let's set our current stock. Let's select our current stock here. Perfect. And now we can do our logic. And let's declare another variable, which is critical level, critical stock. Let's say small. Let's make it tiny int. All right. So let's set critical stock 100. Perfect. If current stock smaller than critical stock, let's print alert current stock is let's say plus, let me try, is it going to work? Current stock, else print um current stock is okay. Let's use function 5. So we have current stock is okay. Current stock is not small and critical stock. Let's make it 10,500. We have a problem here. Let me have a look. Current stock arithmetic overflow error for the type tiny int. Let's make a small int. Yeah, because this is small int. Yep, make a function 5. Okay, small int. All right. It's not convertible. Okay, the result is, as you can see here, the problem is varchar, but I'm trying to use a small int here as well. To fix this problem, we need to cast this small int to the varchar. Okay, let's make a cast operation as, so this is varchar, right? Say varchar, for example, 10 is going to be enough. Let's have a look. So function 5. Yep, alert current stock is 1063. This is how we casting our types between each other, by the way. Perfect. Let's make this section comment again and continue with the when and case. So if you would like, we using when and case, by the way, case and when. If you have, if you would like to make a algorithm, make a logic for the multi choices, we using this section. Let's start typing straight away with a table example. Select star from TBL products. Again, function 5. Okay, we have a stock status, right? As you can see, all of status is as a, let me have a look. Yeah, all of static is defined by 1, which is true, which means we have in stock. Let me add a new data, but before that, let's do our logic first. Okay, let's select star. Instead of select star, I'm going to add product name, and I just would like to see the stock status, right? Stock status, stock status equal. Let's go downside. Okay, now I'm going to add my logic here. To do that, case, case, stock status, okay, stock status, when, and I'm going to add an and here as a keyword, not to get an error message. Alright, when. Now I'm going to create a logic. If my stock status 1, then I want it to be in stock. Alright, when it is 0, then I want it to be out of stock. Alright, let's function 5. As you can see, product name, fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, whatever it is, and the stock level is in stock, in stock, in stock, in stock. What if I change the stock? Let me have a look. Edit up 200 rows. Let me add a new product. Let's say TV, brand name Samsung, category electronic, cost price 450, sell price 550, stock level 0. It cannot be 0. Let me have a look. Yeah, we have a constraint, right? Stock level cannot be 0. Okay, that's because I was planned like if we get a critical error message to to prevent my stock being 0. But I'm gonna do that as well. But I need to add a 0 stock level. So let's close it. Edit up to 100 rows. Where is the products? No, not product. Sorry, design. So we need to remove the constraint, which is edit our stock level. Right click on it, check constraints, and as you can see, we have a stock level must be bigger than 0. Let's delete it. All right. All right. So all right. Okay. Take it easy, mate. Take it easy. Okay. 0. Just I would like to just remove it. Take it easy. Just delete it. Okay. Constraint is good. If you would like to edit again, we can edit like this. Okay, just delete it. All right. Perfect. Let's now try to add 0 level. We have another. Okay. I guess we need to save it. Save it. Perfect. Let's edit now. Perfect. Let's execute. As you can see, we have a stock level 0. Let's make it false now because as a default it comes true. I made it false now. Let's try to run our um, command line again. Function 5. As you can see, TV is out of stock because we're using case and when. Okay, perfect. I assume you understand how we using if, else, and when. Let me do something a little bit complicated. All right, let's make this section command line. Select product name of sorry. Select product name. Actually, use select star first. Let's see the all tables from TBL products function 5. All right. I want my database to bring me um yeah, bring me most profitable products I can say, right? Okay. Okay. I'm going to get product name and and let's say let's say sell price equal. Okay. Let's add a case here. So I'm not gonna define the column name here because I'm going to use logic in the while I was using when. Okay, so when sell price minus cost price cost price if they bigger than, for example, 50, then profitable. Okay, when actually I can assign this section as a variable. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Or just leave it like that. I'm not gonna waste my time with the declaring and but you can do declare a variable and you can select this result and edit to variable and you can use variable here as well. Okay, let's use here again. It's between For example, 50 and 80. Actually, I'm gonna make it smaller, not profitable, and um, it's a normal. Let's say normal. Don't forget add 10, and let's add another logic. If sell price minus cost price bigger than 80, then it's profitable. And our case now. Anything else? Let me have a look. Yeah, we always forgetting add 10. Yeah, that's function 5. As you can see, fridge is normal, washing machine profitable, food saver, hamper, brush, they are not profitable. TV is profitable, but these are small items, so we can, this is not exactly good example for this product range, because these are electronics, the numbers are much more bigger than food saver or brush or hamper. So we need to use percentage if we're using uh, profit calculation. But this is an example. I'm gonna leave it like that. As you can see, this is how we using when and case when it comes to the using to create an algorithm in your tables. Okay, let's make this section example again, command line again. I guess I'm going to finish this lesson here, guys. We learned how to use if, else, and when case sections. Next lesson, now I'm going to go through fix our triggers, and I'm going to make our database, our tables is working much more better, because if you remember when we created our triggers at the first hand, they have some problems while we're trying to update them. They are doubling the results and they make wrong result to the operator. Okay, let's save our query now. Query list for if, else, case 1. Let's save it. Let's push them in our local repository, cd desktop, cd desktop. Why you cannot found cd desktop? Cd desktop is interesting. Uppercase is not working. It's funny. cd MSSQL. I just realized it's not working. All right. Git check out dev git add all git commit --m if else case 1 lessons. All right, git check out main, and let's merge with development git log. Yep, our latest lesson has been added our local repository. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you crush the like button, I will be appreciated, and if you have any questions, drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. We're going to make this database better with the triggers. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.